In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to another exchange using a Trc20 address. Whether you're moving funds to start trading on a different platform, sending crypto to your own wallet, or simply looking for a faster and lower fee transfer option, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know in a clear and easy way. First, open your Binance app or visit the Binance website and log into your account. Make sure you're logged in securely, and if possible, that two-factor authentication is enabled for extra safety. Once you're inside your account, go to the Assets section. This is where you can see all of your available cryptocurrencies. From here, tap on Spot, then look for the option labeled Withdraw or Send. Follow along carefully so you don't miss any important details. Next, select On-Chain Withdraw and choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. In this case, scroll through the list and select USDT, also known as Tether. You'll now see several fields that help you complete the transfer. Paste the recipient's wallet address into the address box. You'll see options designed to guide you through the process, so just follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. There's nothing too technical to worry about, but accuracy is extremely important here. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure the receiving exchange supports USDT on the Trc20 network, double-check the wallet address for any mistakes, and ensure you have enough USDT to cover the amount and the network fee. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues or lost funds. Once you've completed these steps, choose Trc20 as the network option. This network is popular because of its low fees and fast transaction speed. After that, enter the amount of USDT you want to send. You should now be able to review all the transaction details without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to carefully check the address, network, and amount one last time. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your funds safe. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to transfer USDT from Binance to another exchange using a Trc20 address, easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?